In this video, I will show how to create linked images that update automatically in Excel. So, firstly, File, More and Options. Here click on Customize ribbon, and in this select all commands and find out camera. This one, select it and add. So you have to create a new tab or new group, like a new tab, and now camera, add it. So in the new tab we have this camera option. Click on OK. Now select your data and find out a new tab. Click on camera. It will select your data. Now right click or left click. So you have this image. If you make changes here, and click anyway, so you will see changes will appear in the image. You can save this picture. Similarly, you can copy this image. So firstly guys, you need to select your data. Now click on camera and you can paste in a new worksheet or anywhere in your document. Like this. If you make changes here, so it will appear like this. So thanks for watching.